One of the very misunderstood concept is concept of what has been labeled as suicide bombing. It is martyrdom operations, and it is being known in Islam.
Let's fact check that, shall we? In this undated video, Umar Nabi, who the police say was the bomber of the Delhi car blast that has killed 15 people, says it's not suicide bombing, it's a martyrdom operation. But let's see what the Quran really says about suicide bombings. According to the International Review of the Red Cross, suicide is illegal in Islam and is called intentional self murder by the believer. In fact, in 2018, Pakistani clerics had issued a fatwa against suicide bombings, calling them forbidden or haram.
Martyrdom operations. When a person presumes that he is going for sure die at a particular place at a particular time.
Now, yes, suicide attacks have been used by some Muslims to attack their opponents, like Palestinians have in response to Israeli occupation. These have also been condemned, but they have been called acts of self defense. Technically, suicide attacks are only allowed in war, and these are the three conditions that need to qualify as martyrdom. One, there must be an ongoing active war between Muslims and their adversaries. Two, the attacker should not die in the attack. And three, if he does die, his death must be caused by the enemy. The text clearly says that fighting and embracing martyrdom is different than feigning to be a civilian, cheating innocent civilians, and then killing them ruthlessly. Historians, in fact, point out that the Prophet says, "He who kills himself on purpose will be in the fire of hell, abiding therein forever." So, no, what Ubar Nabi did is not going to give him peace, at least according to what this evidence says. So, this is not just religious fanaticism, this is misinformed brainwashing. Maybe these doctors should have read the religious texts before they misused their religion.